2, 1, go!
We've got robots, they are roboting. Seeing motion by both sides. Wow, that phrase is tainted nowadays, isn't it?
Just look it, push it.
Is doing the thing. As our sandstorm ends, robots now being driven by drivers who can see. Rush going for a hash.
Why didn't he grab that ball?
On the blue. Meanwhile, the FridgeBots looking to pull in that cargo. Where are they going to score it? Oops, what? A beautiful elevator, I must say. Meanwhile, Rush going level 3.
That one's in.
So, rocket ship. That Blue Alliance speed robot adding another. That's going to be good for 3 more. This Blue Alliance leads 20 to 14. This one might be closer than we thought. Galactic, not one to be messed with. They are a long-running powerhouse. Corunna with a beautiful step to form this year. Really coming out strong with that machine. Oh, and Flushing, Raider Robotics is going toe-to-toe with 66-10. Trying to toss up a rim rattler and it falls into that red cargo ship. Raiders go into the corner. Speed doing the same. Rush with that giant claw. Oh, 2 balls. They spit them out and go for 1. And they score for another 3, holding on to a 32-20 lead with 35 on the clock. 66-10 deep in blue territory as Corunna drops a rim rattler in a slot that already has one. It's not going to count. They did it twice on this Red Alliance.
No.
And with 17 to go, Blue still leads by 18. Rush going for the climb. They're going to get the ranking point. Red making a run at it, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. This crowd levels. At our scores. The Blue Line